Hey, are you tired of watching amazing videos online and thinking, I wish I could do this? This is your sign to start. My video editing tutorial is designed for beginners and creatives who want real, practical skills, not boring theory. I'll show you how to edit clean, professional videos using simple steps you can apply immediately. You'll learn how to cut, add effects, work with sound, and create content that actually grabs attention, whether for social media, business, or personal projects. Plus, I share tips I use myself, so you're learning what truly works. If you're ready to turn your ideas into eye-catching videos and even earn from your skills, then don't wait. Enroll today and let's start creating together. Reach out on 080603400986.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial class on video editing. Today we'll be talking about whiteboard animation. So before now, you already know what is whiteboard animation from the tutorial aspect. So this is going to be practical aspect. So for this class, we are going to be using an app called Binimi or Binime. So let me go to the App Store to show you what the app looks like. So let's go to the App Store. So all you need to do is to go to your Play Store, and then you search for Binimi. Binimi. That's Benime. So you can see the app here. This is the app. You can see what it looks like. So yeah, so in my own case it said open. You can see open, but in your own case I am sure what you would see there is install. So because I already have it on my phone, that is why it is asking me to open it. So in your own case, just click on the install. The app is going to install for you, and then you can go on to make use of it. So for me, I'll just move on to making use of the app. So let's move on. So I'm going to open it now. So these are the projects that I have done. You can see the interface. These are the projects that I've done. So now there is a plus at the right hand side down in the corner here. Let me show you this plus here. Look, this plus. So this plus, you are going to click on the plus. That's what we are going to click on to start a new project. So when you click on the plus, it is going to ask you to name your animation. This name here. So this name here, make sure that when you type the name, let's say you type it project 5, don't give space between the project and the 5. Are you getting it now? Don't give space between the project and the 5. You understand? So let the project and the 5 be together, because it will see if I give space, it's going to say I should not give space. So don't give space between it. So just leave it as what? Project 5. So here you are going to see create project or create with AI. So what we are going to be working on is what? To be creating projects. This. You understand? So forget about create with AI. We'll talk about that later. So meanwhile, there is something here that said choose size. Look at this. It says choose size. You can see. So that size, when you choose it, it is going to bring options for you. Are you getting it now? Depending on what you want to upload it on. So if you get a job from your client, you have to ask them where are you going to use it? Is it on Instagram? Is it on YouTube? Is it on TikTok? So if it is on YouTube, the aspect ratio of YouTube is 16:9. You understand? So if you choose YouTube, Let's choose YouTube and see what it looks like. So now we have chosen YouTube. Go. So let's open it and see what it looks like. You can see, you see what it looks like. So now let's go back and choose Instagram. Project 5, yeah. Let's see. Let's choose Instagram. Let's choose Instagram so that you can see how it looks like. You can see it's different from the previous one. You understand? So you can see what it looks like. So let's go back now. Let's go back to use project 5, which is the what? The YouTube aspect ratio. Are we together now? So I want to advise you. I want to tell you three things. So please listen carefully. Number one is that you should watch the video to the end. Watch this tutorial to the end. Don't watch halfway and then you want to go and practice yourself. For example, now this tutorial, now you won't know how to save your work. So if you don't watch it to the end, you still come back to the group and start saying, please sir, how can I save my work? How can I do this? How can I do that? From there I will know that you did not watch it to the end, because there's nothing I would leave without explaining in this video. So just watch it to the end. That's number one. Secondly is that in iOS, people using iPhone, this app is not going to work on your phone. Sorry about that. You understand? So I'm probably going to create another tutorial for you to keep you engaged. You understand? So that it will not be as if we have left you out, or you just leave it till another time. I'm going to show you some other ways to create whiteboard animation. You understand? So, and if you want to continue learning with this app, you can just follow up, watch the video for knowledge sake. You understand? You can continue, but it's not going to work on iOS. Then thirdly is that some Android, maybe 2% of Android also, it doesn't work on it. You understand? So if it doesn't work on your phone, don't start talking about, oh, it doesn't work and this and that. So just calm down. You understand? We are going to sort it out. So let's move on now to the next level. So after we have known about the aspect ratio, are you getting it now? So now this is what the interface looks like. So the first thing you want to do, just like I've always told you, is that don't always leave watermark on your work. Look at what we call watermark. Let me show you. This is the watermark. So you can remove this watermark in two ways. It's either you remove it or you cover it. So if you want to remove the watermark, you might be lucky if you click on the Binimi app, the Binimi watermark. You can see it will bring something like this. It will tell you watch ads or remove permanently. So if you watch ad, it is going to remove. On my phone now, you see it's not going to remove with me watching ad, but you might be lucky that it will remove on your phone. You understand? Or you remove permanently. If you remove permanently, it is going to ask you to pay. You can see you have to pay 8,680 naira for lifetime. You understand? So it will not show watermark again ever till what, as far as it is your email you are using to log in. You understand? So so for me, it is not going to remove. So I have another way to cover it. You understand? So I don't have problem with that. So I can always remove it after I've finished creating my video here. You understand? So another thing you want to know is that what all these prompts here. So all these prompts here, what are they used for? Are you getting it now? So from here, I will start with background. This BG, this BG, this BG. So let me start with background. So what is the background? Let's go to the background and see what it looks like. So it means that you can change this white stuff here, this white background, this whiteboard. You can change it to any color you want. Let's see. Let's change the background. So when you click the background, it is going to ask you if you want to make the background to be image or you want it to be color. Let's check color first. You understand? Let's say I want the background to be, let's say, red. You can see. So if you click red, you can see the background is going to change. So let's say I want the background to be let's say black. Sorry, black. Select. So you can see the background has changed. So anything you want the background to look like, you understand, you can always change the background. So now let's say I want to make the background to be image. Let me see if I have an image. Okay, let me use this image. Okay, you can see what the background becomes. You understand? So anything you want the background to look like, but we are doing whiteboard animation, so let's just use white. You understand? So let's continue with the white. So now that you know the way of the background, then don't listen. There is background and there is sticker. Are you getting it now? There is background and there is sticker. You understand? For example, let me show you. It said add image or GIF or whatever. So this is sticker. You understand? This is sticker. You can place it anywhere you like, this image. You understand? So it's different from background. Background is going to cover everything. You understand? So now let's continue now. Let's continue with our work. So the next thing I want to show you is the elements. Let me show you the element, or let me show you the hand. You see, you can see the hand is not there before. So if you scroll to the side, you are going to see the hand. This hand, it means that which hand do you want to use to write? What kind of hand? So anyone you choose is what is going to use. Look, let's use this one and see. Have you seen the hand we picked? So let's see. So let's see. Let me explain text also. Are you getting it now? So let me explain this text. So this text means what do you want to write on the board? Are you getting it now? So let's say I want to write hello everyone. So you click on insert. You can expand as much as you like. Are you getting it now? And then you can increase the size. Let me show you where to increase the size of the write-up. Let's see. Look at this place. You see? So you can increase the size to whatever size. So once you click it, the size is going to increase. You see? You can increase the size. So let's play it so that you see. Let's play the video. You can see. So that is that. So now let's actually go into the work, and we see how things are. And then let's clear this one. So another thing is the image. So when you want to add image, so what you are going to do, this element, you are going to click this element. Look, this element, you are going to click it, and then it will take you to where you are going to put the image. You see, when you click it, so you click add image or GIF. Let's say you add okay, let's say you add this image. Let's add this image. Okay, you can see. So whatever you like, you can just do whatever you like. So let's go on to create something now. Let's go on to create something real. So let me start with what should we create? Okay, let's say I have something to create. Let's see. So let's say 3 ways. You can see 3 ways to earn heavily as a video editor. You can see. So I'm going to insert it. So when I insert it, I can reduce the size of the image. You see, by coming here, because it's big, so I can reduce the size. You can see I can reduce the size, let's say to 120. I can expand it, and then I can center align. So look at the center align here. Let me show you the center align. Look, if you want to center align, look at this one. Is to the side, to the right hand side. This one is center align. This one is to the left hand side. So it is this one we are going to be using. You see now. So when we click this one, you see it is going to center align. And then you can move it up. You can move it, and you can change the what is it called? You can change the font of the write-up. Let's say I want to use this. Let's use this and see. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, so now you can also edit it. Maybe you don't like what you saw. You understand? You can edit it. You understand? So the next thing is, after you write this, you are going to bring your image. Are you getting it now? So I have image of, let's say, 3. So when you want to bring your image, you already know how to bring your image. So just come to this element, add image. So I have, okay, let me use this image. Let's see. Okay, no, let me use the other one and see. Let's use the other one. Let's see. So okay, so you can see it said 3 ways to earn heavily as a video editor. You can see. So let's play it and see what it looks like. Doesn't look nice, yeah? No, let's not use this. So let's use no elements. You can see. So let's use this. I think this will look nice. So you can crop it. Yeah, you can crop it. You understand? So before you go in, just crop like this. You understand? Okay, so we can bring it down. So let's play. 3 ways to earn heavily as a video editor. 3 ways. So you see. So now, after you finish with this one, we are going to go to another page. Are you getting? So for you to go to another page, we are going to click this plus icon. Are you getting it now? So let's click it and see. So this plus. So the first thing, let me go to my notes and bring it out. Okay, sorry, my note. Where's my note? Okay, so it said creating video for business owners and getting paid massively. So let me copy this. So copy. So I'm going to go and paste. So text, I can paste it. Creating video for business owners and getting paid heavily. So insert. So I can paste it, and also center align. You can see. I think I should reduce the size. I should reduce it here. Yeah, let me reduce it. Okay, you see it looks better now. So now we are going to add image. Let's see the image you can use. Okay, I think we can use this looks nice, so we can use this. Okay, so you can see you see. So now let's play it and see. 3 ways to earn heavily as a video editor. Creating video for business owners and getting paid heavily. You see, it's going nice. So now let's take the second one. Get hired. Get hired by a company. So you go to another page. So you go to text, you paste it. So after you paste, you center line. Yeah, so you can bring it up. So get hired. No, let me reduce it so it can. So it's nice like this. So get hired by companies and get paid monthly. Okay, so you can add what? You can add you can put what? You can put this. So this looks nice because he has a tie. So yeah. So yeah, you can see. So the third one you can open. So put your knowledge together as a course. Yes. Copy. Come. So text. Are you following? So insert. So you can put it up here. Center line. Center line. Yeah. So we can reduce the size so it can fit. So put your knowledge together as a course and sell to people. Okay, so you can put. So don't worry, I will show you how to get those images. I know you are feeling somehow now. I'll show you how to get those images. Don't worry. Okay, so you can see, you can increase it. You see. So by the end of this video, I'll show you where you can get those images. Just watch it to the end. You understand? So I'll show you. Don't worry. So you can see it looks like a tutor. Yeah, put your knowledge together as a course and sell to people interested. Okay, so let's play it and see. 3 ways to earn heavily as a video editor. Creating video for business owners and getting paid heavily. Get hired by companies and get paid monthly. Okay, put your knowledge together as a course and sell to people interested. Wow, nice. So I can just say okay, I can open another page and say I can use this, maybe something like this. Okay, no, there's a reason. Let me go back. Okay, yeah, so okay, so I can say text. So created by Shitu Business Hub. So I can put it like this. You can do this. So you can center a line and bring it like this. Okay. No. So okay, I think it looks nice like this. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah. So let's play it. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. 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 You see, nice, yeah? Okay, so we are through like that. So now let me show you something. When you write your words, are you getting it now? You can actually control the number of the duration is going to use. Maybe you want it to write for 3 seconds. Look, look at this place. It says duration. Look, this place, it said duration, yeah? So what you are going to do is what? You can increase the time it's going to write. Maybe you want it to, you see, let's try 13 seconds and you see what is going to happen. Look, look, look. You can see, you can see, you can see. You are going to sleep there. So you can see, you can see, you can see. So 13 seconds is actually too much. So now let's change it to let's change it to 3 seconds. So you can decrease it to what? 3 seconds. So 0.3 seconds, sorry. See, 3 seconds, you see? So let's play it. So you see? So that's how for everything. That's how to do it for everything. So I've shown you how to use elements. I've shown you how to use text. I've shown you how to use background. I've shown you how to use the hand. So now let's check this AI image. So this AI, are you getting it now? Is going to help you generate image. But since you know how, okay, I'll show you. Don't generate image from here. There's a reason. Don't generate image from here. You understand? So I'll go and show you where you can generate image from. So meanwhile, inside this element, there are some images you can use for free. You understand? So if you come up here, look, here it says pick your own or casual mail or whatever. Are you getting it now? So if you continue sliding, are you getting it now? It will show you a lot of images. So let's start from the beginning. I might not be able to check everything, but let's start. Look, this casual mail, you can see, to give you different images. You can see, look, corporate mails. So just check around. You can see corporate females. You can see male occupation. You can see female occupation. You see, so child. It's going to show you a lot of things. You understand? So that is that. So now let's add music. Let's see. So there are a lot of ways to add music. Let's see this. Let me add here. Let me add this. Okay, let me add this. Let's play. You can add anything you like, anything. And if you don't like this music, I think it doesn't sound nice. Yeah, let's see. You can delete it. You see, you can see delete here. You can click on it and then you say delete. You understand? And then you go back to the music. You can add anyone you like. Let's see. So let's use this. Let's see. You see? Nice, yeah? So now, how are you going to save your work? Let me show you how to save. So the first thing you are going to do is to click on this thing that looks like I said, look, this thing. So go and click on it. You see? So once you click on it, it's going to say project saved. So after project saved, then you come to this share. Let me go back. Look at this. You come to this place. You are going to click it. Are you getting it now? So you click on share. Then it says name your project. So let's name it 3 ways to earn money from video editing. Yeah. So then you click on make movie. You can see movie name should not contain space. You can see. So let's go back. So let's just say 3 ways. So make movie. You can see. So once you click on make movie, let it finish loading. Let it finish writing. You understand? So it's going to tell you rendering movie in progress. Please do not close the application. You understand? So leave it. Let it finish rendering. You can see it's loading. So you can see. So now it's saying share movie or play movie. Where you can share, you can play. So if in fact you can share so that you can send it to the assignment group. Let's share. I can share it. Maybe I can share it to what? WhatsApp. Maybe okay, I can share it to Azmi. So let's see. You can see finish sharing. So you can go and check your gallery. I'm sure you are going to see it there. Let's see. Let's see. You can see. And please make sure you don't submit your assignment to me with this what is it called, with this watermark. Please don't submit your assignment with this watermark. You understand? So make sure you cover the watermark before you submit it. You understand? So now let me go and show you how to get your images that you are going to use. So what you are going to do is to go to what? Chrome. go to Google Chrome. Look, this Chrome. Go, and then you go and search. Look, search for, let's say, 3D cartoon of anything. You understand? 3D cartoon of, let's say, a businessman. It is going to bring it for you. You can see any image you want, or you can say sketched image of a tech guy. You can see it's going to bring any image you want. You can see whatever image. You understand? So it's just your creativeness. So just use anything you like. You understand? To get the images you want. So with this, I've come to the end of today's class. So this what is it called, whiteboard animation alone, you can charge up to 20k. You understand? 15k, 20k from your client, depending on how you know how to go about it very well. You understand? And we have some paid master class that you can enroll for, that you will learn proper. You understand? How to make it everything. You can do it with your phone. You understand? So you can do everything with your phone. So just put your mind, practice, and you see that you are there. You're already earning money as a video editor. You understand? So I hope you take care of yourself and you have a lovely time. Thank you.